This might be the absolute best suite in New York City that I have ever stayed in. When I walked in, I was totally impressed by this massive space, soaring ceilings, huge floor to ceiling windows with actual views over the city. This suite felt unlike any other place I have ever stayed in New York City. First, let me show you the kitchen. Full size, fully stocked, real glassware, real plates, everything you'd actually need to host. There's also a coffee machine as well, so you don't need to leave for your early morning coffee. I had this space set up conference style for a small event with tables and chairs brought in, and it worked perfectly. But here's the thing, you don't have to do that. You can leave the original living room furniture in place and just use it as a lounge style suite for entertaining instead. It works well either way. There's also a second half bathroom right off the main living area, which might be the most underrated detail in the whole suite. Your guests never have to walk through your bedroom just to use the bathroom. Another great part about this is that the hotel is centrally located right in Chelsea, one of the most walkable, well-connected neighborhoods in Manhattan. The High Line, Chelsea Market, and major subway lines are all really easy to access from here. Now here's the interesting part. This NYC hotel overall is rated 4 stars, not 5. Which means most people scroll right past it when they're hunting for a luxury suite in NYC. That's a mistake because the Mondo Suite at the Moxie Hotel in Chelsea is absolutely stunning. And the Moxie is part of the Marriott group of hotels, so if you're a Marriott member like me, you are going to earn big points for staying here. But of course, there are some cons, and that is that while the suite is awesome, the bedroom part of it is very small. The bedroom that is attached to the living area does have its own bathroom, but the room feels tiny in comparison to the suite area. This hotel also has limited amenities, so don't expect a big spa or elaborate dining options. If you decide to book this, remember that this suite was never designed to be a bedroom first suite. It's an entertaining first suite. The bedroom is just where you sleep at the end of the night. The kitchen, the living space, the second bathroom, that's the entire point. If you want a romantic weekend with a spacious bedroom and high-end hotel amenities, there are better options. But if you're hosting friends, running a small event, or just want a space that doesn't feel like a glorified hotel room, this is one of the best values in the city right now. Have a question about my experience? Drop it in the comments below and I will do my best to answer. Remember to hit like and subscribe. See you in the next one.